This 2026 Brinkley RV Model I 235 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV and features sleeps 8. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.